In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail with Genspark AI Designer. By the end, you'll have a polished thumbnail ready to use on your video, and you'll understand the small choices that make a big difference in clicks and watch time. First, open Genspark AI Designer and sign into your account. Give yourself a minute to settle in and think about your video's theme, tone, and key message. Having your brand colors or a quick style reference in mind will help you keep everything consistent across your channel. Next, start a new design and choose the option to create a thumbnail. This sets the canvas to the standard YouTube size, typically 12 to 80 by 720 pixels, which helps you avoid cropping or stretching later. You're now in the right workspace to build a design that looks great on desktop and mobile. Now type a clear prompt describing the thumbnail you want. Be specific about the subject, mood, color palette, and the main text. For example, you might include the topic, the emotion you want to convey, and whether you prefer bold typography or a clean, minimal look. Keep any on-image text short and punchy. Think a few strong words rather than a full sentence. Let Genspark generate thumbnail options for you. This usually takes a moment. As the variations appear, remember that you can always regenerate or refine your prompt if the first pass isn't quite right. Slight tweaks in wording can drastically improve the results. Review the designs and pick the one you like best. Look for strong contrast, readable text, and a focal point that's easy to understand at a glance. Imagine it at a small size on a phone. If it's clear and compelling there, you're on the right track. Make sure the tone matches your video's content so viewers get what they expect when they click. If needed, edit the text, images, or layout. Increase font size for legibility. Adjust colors to align with your brand, and reposition elements so the main subject sits in a strong visual area, like the center or upper third. Keep text minimal, often 3 to 6 words is enough, and ensure it doesn't overlap distracting details. Zoom out occasionally to preview how it reads at a smaller scale. Finally, download the thumbnail at high quality, usually as a PNG or JPEG, and use it for your video. When you upload or schedule your video on YouTube, choose this image as the custom thumbnail. Save a copy for your design library so you can keep your style consistent on future uploads. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective.